Hi, today we're going to have fun. We're going to do some outdoor cooking on this Blackstone griddle here. I cooked some bacon on here, got some bacon grease going here. I thought it would give it good flavor. We're going to make a Parmesan crusted chicken breast. So the bacon grease is on there. I just put about a tablespoon of butter. Then I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil. And then the chicken breasts, we cut them into little pieces, and there was a wet mix of an egg bath and stuff, and then the dry mix had breadcrumbs, flour, and then we put Parmesan cheese and stuff. So we just want to get this crispy brown, and then it had garlic powder, salt, pepper. You can season it however you want. Let's start this. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is just put this on there, and then I'll flip it around and probably add more cheese and stuff as I go, just to give it a good coating. But it should cook fairly quick. Yeah, that smells good. So there we go. I think I'll just use this half of the grill. There's some bacon grease there I can push up on here, but yeah, that smells good. So yeah, we'll let these cook for a little bit, and we'll flip them, and we'll see you back. Okay, they've been cooking for, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. This is the biggest one here. I've just kind of been flipping them back and forth and kind of dragging the bacon grease in here to get more flavor. But this one says 125, so we got a little ways to go, but that'll be the last one done. But these smaller ones, you know, they'll be done quicker. So yeah, this is good. This is an easy meal. That one's about 140, so good times. We'll see you back. Okay, we're doing good. They're ready to come off. Yeah, look at that. That's nice good cook on that Parmesan cheese. So we got some sides in the house we're gonna have with this meal. So I'm just gonna dish these up, and then we'll go inside and get the sides finished up. Ooh, that one fell apart. Man, that cooked up good. Yeah, that smells awesome. Okay, so there you go. We'll see you inside. Okay, we're ready. It smells so good. So here we have the Parmesan crusted chicken. We made some side dishes, some white cheddar shell, pasta dish, and green beans. But let's check this out. This was so easy, and it smelled so good out there. But yeah, look at that. That cooked perfect. Nice and brown. That cheese browns up so good. Yummy. So there's a easy meal. Cook it in the outdoors. It always tastes better when you cook food in the outdoors, but let me chew this. I'll have the recipe below in the description. And I hope you like this video, and we'll see you next time.